Today, I am reviewing the HP 2025 updated G10 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse that can turbo boost up to 4.5 GHz. This means it's not just great for standard office tasks, but also for much more demanding workloads like 4K video editing, CAD design, and even streaming your gameplay live. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics handle visuals smoothly, so you won't be limited to just work applications. Casual gaming and multimedia playback are definitely a breeze. What really sets this laptop apart is the massive 64 GB of DDR4 RAM. That's an enormous amount for any laptop, especially in this price and size category. This huge memory pool allows you to juggle over 50 browser tabs, run intensive editing software, and have multiple virtual machines or applications open simultaneously, all without any noticeable lag or slowdowns. Complementing this is a blazing fast 2 TB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. This means ultra-fast boot times, lightning-quick file transfers, and plenty of storage space for your projects, videos, documents, and more. The 15.6-inch Full HD screen uses an IPS panel with anti-glare technology, which is perfect for working long hours without straining your eyes. It delivers crisp, clear images at 1920 by 1080 resolution with 250 nits of brightness, so you get vibrant visuals whether you're working indoors or outdoors in bright conditions. The micro-edge bezel design maximizes your viewing area and helps keep the laptop compact and easy to carry around. Connectivity is another area where this HP laptop shines. It supports Wi-Fi 6, providing ultra-fast and stable internet connections ideal for video conferences, streaming, or downloading large files. The Bluetooth 5.3 capability ensures seamless pairing with wireless headphones or other devices, adding flexibility to your workflow or entertainment setup. There's also a good selection of ports, including HDMI 2.1 for connecting to external 4K displays, and a USB-C port capable of 10 gigabit per second data transfer speeds, making this laptop well-equipped for any modern workspace. One of the highlights of the HP 255 G10 is its inclusion of licensed Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Office Pro 2019 right out of the box. This means you get a secure, professional-grade operating system with all the productivity tools you need. No extra purchases required. The software bundle is perfect for business users, students, and professionals who need reliable access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. For security and convenience, this laptop also includes a numeric keypad, which is a big plus if you frequently work with spreadsheets or financial data. The built-in webcam supports your video calls and meetings, while the keyboard is backlit for typing comfortably in low-light environments. Overall, the HP 255 G10 with Ryzen 7 7730U, 64 GB RAM, and 2 TB SSD offers a perfect balance of power, portability, and productivity. It's ideal for power users who want a versatile machine that can handle heavy multitasking, creative projects, and everyday tasks without compromise. Whether you're a professional needing a business laptop or a student looking for a high-performance portable workstation, this HP model delivers excellent value and performance in 2025. If you want a laptop that can keep up with your demanding schedule, support your creativity, and help you stay productive all day long, the HP 255 G10 is a strong contender. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.